So good morning, good evening students. Namaskar everyone. So hopefully everyone is preparing for the week exams and it is everyone is ready for it, right? So now let us see what that is the formulae of all the chapters and how to do those, apply those formulas. We will see now. Okay. So here first chapter. What is the first chapter? That is number system. So if you take number system, first numbers will come. So natural number, what natural number means, that is what will happen, it starts with 1, then 2, then 3, like that it goes on. And whole numbers are starts with 0, 1, 2, like that goes on, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that it goes on, right? Yes, these are the whole numbers. Integers, what are integers? Integers are, it contains negative also, positive also, and 0 also. It starts with 0 and then this side -1, -2, like that, -3. -3 is smaller than -2, right? In the minus it will be reverse. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it goes. Okay. So here that we understood. Now we know number system. What is number system? In that decimal system, right? Decimal system means what? In the decimal there will be how many digits? That is 10 digits. 10 digits means, which are the 10 digits? From 0 to 9, right? 1, 2, 3, like that till 9 are 10 digits, because 0 is one of the digit, isn't it? So that is the decimal system. So in the decimal system it starts from what? Ones, isn't it? Ones, that is tens, hundreds, yes, thousands. These are the place names. What? These are the place names. Yes. So hundreds, thousands, and then what? 10,000. Yes, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, right? So 10 lakh, crore, and then 10 crore. These are the what? The names of the places, isn't it? So that is we said as Indian system. Yes. What about international system? International system, we go for every 1,000. We go for every 1,000. That is ones, then tens, then hundreds, isn't it? Yes, hundreds, thousands, 100,000s. We go it as 100,000s, 100,000s, right? 100,000s, and then thousands. That is we said as million, isn't it? Yes, million, and then 10 million. Here we have to go for 10,000, right? So 10,000, then 100,000. Okay. So million, 10 million, 100 million, and then billion, right? So that's how it goes. So here if you see, ones, tens is same here both. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 100,000 means lakh, 10 lakh means 1 million, right? Crore means 10 million, and 10 crore means 100 million. 1 billion is how many crores? That is after 10 crores it will be 100 crore, right? 100 crore. So 1 billion will be 100 crore. Okay na? These are the place names. So how do we give comma? Comma we give first, we give for 3 digits, right? And then we go for next, we go for 2 digits, right? In the Indian system, this is for Indian system. And here first we give for, always it is all 3 digits. Always it is how many digits? For 3 digits only. Understood? Yes. Okay, good. So these basics, yes, these basics you know many of it, right? So what I will do, I will go to higher chapters. So one more is total numbers. How do we find the total numbers? Yes, first number, last number. Yes, last number, that is last minus first plus what? 1. That we have to do. Okay, so that's how we do. Here you already know even numbers. So what will come? Even numbers, you already know what do you mean by divisible by 2. Odd numbers, yes, odd numbers which are not, that is 1 3 5 like that. Yes, even numbers means 2 4 6 8, 0 will also come. Prime numbers, prime numbers means they will not come in any table, that is 2 3. Yes, 2 factors. How many factors? Only 2 factors, means only divisible by 2 numbers. Okay, composite means that is have how many factors? More than 2, more than 2 factors. Okay, more than 2 factors means that is what we say it as. Yes, composite numbers, that is it starts with 4. So 4 6 8 10, right? That is 9 also here. Yes, 9 is also there. Okay, so those are all what? That is composite numbers. Prime numbers are 2 3 5 7, then 11 like that. Okay, till 100 there are how many total prime numbers? 25 prime numbers. Okay, lowest prime number is 2, that is the only even prime number, and the smallest 2 digit prime number is 11, largest 2 digit prime number is 97. Okay, so those things we have to remember. And then after that is twin prime. Twin prime means that is difference will be 2. Like what? Difference will be 2, right? So that is, if you take example 5 and 7, the difference is 2. 11 and 13, the difference is 2. These are all prime numbers only, so difference should be 2. Okay, so co-primes. Co-prime means relatively prime. What? Relatively prime. So it means that is the two numbers can be prime or cannot be prime, doesn't matter. So they are relatively prime, means there is no common between them. Like example, here if you take 4 and 9, 4 is not a prime number, 9 is also not prime number, but there is no common, so they are relatively prime. Okay, so they are relatively prime. Understood? Next year. Yes, now let's go to the next, that is what? Yes, so next is about numbers, right? Let's go for test of divisibility. So that is divisibility rules. So what are the divisibility rules? 2 divisibility rule is last digit, unit digit should be 0 2 4 6 8, that is even number. It should be even number. Okay, 2 is done. 4 is how many digits? Last 2 digit should be divisible by 4 divisible, right? So we have to check. Okay, and 8 is how many digits? Last 3 digits. How many digits? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Okay, now 2 4 8 is done. Now after that 3 is how much? Sum of digits should be, yes, sum of digits should be 3 divisible, that is in the 3 table. Okay, 9 should be, sum of digits should be 9 divisible. Okay, now 6, if you take 6 is 2 3s are 6, so 2 3s are 6 means 2 means it should be even number, right? 2 3s are 6 it is. So 3 is sum of digits, right? Isn't it? Sum of digits should be divisible by 3, so 6 will come. Like that, if they ask any other number like 15 means 5 3s are 15. Try to take as much as possible what? That is the prime numbers as a product. Okay, so that is 6 is done. After that what? 5 and 10. 5 means 5 ones are 5, so 5 or 0 should be the last digit. Yes, last digit. And 10 is what? That is 0 should be the last digit. then only it will be divisible by 10. Okay, yes. So now 7, 7's divisibility, yes, 7's divisibility is last digit. Whatever the last digit is there, we have to multiply with 2 and subtract from the remaining number and check the 7 divisible, right? 7 divisible. So what you have to do, every time if it is a bigger number, if you consider 8432, last digit is 4, multiply with how much? 2 and subtract from the remaining this, that is how much? 843 is the number, subtract means minus, 2 2s are how much? 2 2s are 4, so we have to double and minus, so you will get how much? 839. And check now 7's divisibility. What you have to do, if it is divisible by 7, 7 how much are? 7 1s are 7, 7 how much are? 7 1s are 7, 6 will be remaining, 69. Will it be divisible? 7 10s are 70, 69 is not possible, so this number will not be divisible. 8432, understood? So like that you can do. And 11 divisibility is alternate digit sum, we have to minus. What you have to do, alternate digit sum we have to minus, okay, even places, yes, alternate, one leaving the other, or odd and even, odd and even places separately. So if you take 8 4 3 2 3 6, okay, so first alternate these, what you have to do, you have to add, and these are the alternate now, that is the other one. So okay, so here what we have to do, these are the alternate, right? These are the alternate, so 6 2 8 and 4 and 3. So here 6 plus 2 plus 8, we have to minus them, minus after adding, that is sum, we have to minus it, right? So minus how much? 4 plus 3, okay. So what will be the answer here? 8 plus 8 16 minus 7, 16 minus 7 means it is 9, so it is not divisible, so it should be in what? 11 divisible, it should be 11 divisible, okay. So not divisible, 9 will not come in the, because it is smaller, understood? So that is about the divisibility rules, okay. Roman numbers, you already know Roman numbers, right?
Yes sir, I know, full sir.
Okay, good. Roman numbers, that is 1 and then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then I will directly go to 10, then how much? 50, then 100, like that, okay. So 1 means I, 2, 3, yes, 4, 5, yes, 10 is X, 50 is L, 100 is C, okay. After that, after 100 what will come? Yes, 500, 1000, yes, 500 means D, 1000 means M, got it? Yes, these are the that is Roman numbers, okay. So you already know, so I will not go in deep, okay. Let's go next chapter now, that is
Yes,
fundamental operations, okay. Yes,
sir, are you recording this?
yes, yes. So here fundamental operations, addition is there, addition is there, right? So addition, what do we say it as? We say it as total, we say it as sum, we say it as together, right? Isn't it? Those are all things. Minus, that is subtraction, what do we say? Yes, subtraction is
Sir,
like
difference.
removed, difference, yes, difference, okay, removed, difference, and more, this is more than that, that we have to plus, but if to find the number we have to minus, okay. Yes, so like that, reduced, reduced means also what? Subtraction, okay. You already know, I will not go in detail, okay. Now next is multiplication. Multiplication you already know, yes.
Product. Sir, product.
Yes,
Product of.
yes. So product, product, of these are all multiplication. Okay, and after that division is what? Formula dividend. Yes, dividend is equal to quotient. Dividend is equal to quotient. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, yes, so that we have to remember. Okay, now, yes, so this everyone will remember. Now, yes, so fractions. So I told you fractions, what we have to consider when it is a fraction. Full should be considered as how much? Full should be considered as 1. Okay, yes, so in that if you go in types of fraction as, yes, proper fraction, numerator will be small, numerator will be smaller, and denominator will be bigger, that is 2 by 5. Yes, 2 by 5, 1 by 4, those are all proper fraction. Improper means reverse.
Sir, numerator will be big.
Yes, numerator will be
Improper
bigger and denominator will be smaller. Okay,
Sir, more than whole.
yes, okay, so
Sir,
now
mixed
next,
fraction there will be
mixed, yes, mixed, we convert improper into mixed, like what? 9 by 2 is there, that is a improper, right? There is 9 and divided by 2. Okay, so it is 5 by how much? 3, like that. Okay, so mixed fraction is whole number with what? Proper. Yes, proper fraction. Okay, yes, now let's go to the next, that is how to convert.
Mute everyone's mic, sir.
Yes, so let us convert now. Okay, so if you see here, when it is mixed fraction, so how to convert it to improper. So let us take example, what? 4 3 by 5. So when it is like this, we have to multiply from bottom and add it
Sir,
here.
23
So
by 5.
5 4s are
Yes,
plus
sir,
3
23 by
divided by
20.
5 as it is, we have to keep same. So 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23 by 5. Okay, that is improper to, that is mixed to improper. Okay, now if you take one more example, like this is 47 divided by 5. 47 is 5 9s are 45, comma 2 will be remainder. So quotient whatever is there, we have to write in here, remainder
Sir, 9
here,
2 by 5.
5 here. Yes, 9 and 2 by 5. Okay, okay, good. So that is there. And next is like fraction. Yes, types of fraction is, another is like fraction. Like fraction means what? Denominator will be same, denominator same. So example is like 5 by 4, comma 3 by 4, both are pair of like fraction. Okay, understood?
Sir, can numerator also be same? Further divide by 15 point, sir.
We can divide, but it will come in point. Okay, not required. So unlike fraction. Okay,
Sir, can numerator also be same?
yes, so this is about like and unlike fraction. Okay, so unlike means different denominator, different denominator. Okay, so for example like 5 by 9 if you take, or what? Yes, so 5 by 9 and other is like 7 by 2. Their denominator are different, right? So that is why it is unlike fraction. Okay, next is what? that is converting what? Yes.
Conversion.
Yeah. So what? No, addition and subtraction. We will go for addition and subtraction. Okay. So addition, if you take a 4 by 5 plus what? 4 by 5 only. So that is direct. Here let's take 1 by 5 or let's take 3 by 5. So direct, denominator is same means we can directly add 4 plus 3, that is 7 by 5, isn't it? Okay. Next here. Okay, so addition, subtraction. So addition, subtraction is both same when the denominator is same. If the denominator is different, we have to make the different denominator same by multiplying. So here if it is like 2 by 5 plus how much, like 4 by 3. So here denominator are different, we have to take LCM. 3 5 how much, 15 will be the LCM. Okay, so 15 is the LCM means here we have to multiply for how much, 3, right? So 5 3s are 15, here also 3, here this side 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. So 2 3s are 6 plus 5 4 are 20. So that is 26 by 15 is the answer, right? That's how we have to do. Understood? Okay, so that is done. Addition and subtraction. Now multiplication. Multiplication, how do we do? Yes?
So like
Yes, 2 by 4. Yes, into, if it is like yes, yes. So 12 by, if it is like 6. So how do we do? We can multiply the numerator, denominator, denominator, or we can cross cancel it first. So like this. 4 how much? That is 4. 3 is a 12. And then we can cancel 2. 3 is a 6. 3. That is 3 2 is a 6 or 2 2 is a. So everything will be cancelled. Or we can, if you are getting confused, what if you are getting confused, what we should do? We should write in multiplication form. That is 2 into 12 divided by 4 into 6. That is 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12 and 6 cancels, 1 is the answer. Right? Like that. You can cross cancel. Understand? Now division. For division, what we have to do? Reciprocal, we have to multiply. Yes, multiply. Okay. So here 2 by how much? 7 divided by 49. 49 by how much? Yes. So 49 by 4. So what we should do? We have to take the denominators, that is divisors, reciprocal. So 2 by 7 into 49 by 4. Now 7 7s are 49, we can cancel 2 2s are 4. So 7 by 2 is the answer.
4 by
Yes.
49. 4 by 49.
Oh, sorry. So 4 by 49. Okay. Yes, we have to take reciprocal, right? Sorry, sir. So here we can cancel only what? 2 and we cannot cancel anything.
You cannot cancel anything.
4 2s are 8 divided by 343. So 8 by 343 is the answer. Got it? So now students, let's go to next, that is factors and multiples. Okay. Yes, factors and multiples. So here factors means dividing numbers. Which will be divided. So if you write 4 factors, so which table it will get divided? 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, right? So we can divide it. So that is the factors. Multiples is tables. Multiples is like multiplying. That is tables. Okay. So tables is not only till 10. We can write the tables till any number. We just have to multiply. So like 2 multiples is what? So 2's multiples.
Multiples are countless, no sir.
Yes. So
Uncountable.
yes, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are, then 2 six are, 2 threes are 6, 8, 10, 2 fours are, 2 fives are, like that it will go on, no ever ending. Okay. So here 0 will also come. Okay, 0 is the multiple of all the numbers. Okay, remember that. Hmm? Now HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. So how do you find HCF? HCF is highest common factor. Highest they ask. LCM is lowest common factor. Okay. So HCF, if you want to find for 8, lowest common multiple. Yes, sorry, lowest common multiple it is. Okay. M means multiple. Okay. So highest common factor it is. Okay. So factor it will. Yes. Okay. Good. Yes. So here what we have to do, that is if you take 8 and 12, so both will come in which table? 2 table. 2 fours are, 2 six are. Again it will come in 2 table. 2 twos are, 2 threes are. Now they will not come in same table. No same factor or common factor. So we have to stop it. 2 and 3 will not come. So LCM HCF will be 2 twos are. Right? 2 twos are 4. But in LCM, what we have to do? We have to divide till. Yes. We get 1. 2 fours are, 2 six are. Divide with prime numbers only. Otherwise you will get confused. 2 twos are, 2 threes are. Now 2 and 3 are not in same table means 2 ones are, 3 ones are. So this is the LCM. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. We just have to multiply all of this. Right? So answer will be 24. Okay now?
Sir, if it is prime number, we can directly multiply each other.
Yes. So in LCM, prime numbers or co-primes, primes or co-primes, direct will be multiplied. Okay, multiply the numbers. Understand? Because there is no co. Okay, so
should we divide it with only prime numbers?
Yes, divide with prime numbers. Otherwise, if you know, see here, listen. Okay, fine. If you know how to do properly, you can go for bigger number. Directly, you can go for 4 here. 4 will come in both the table. 4 2 z, 4 3 z. But we should not miss anything in between. If there is something like this, right? So like let's take 20 and let's take here 18, right? So what people will do? 4 5s are 20 they will do. It will not come. 18 they will take as it is. That will be wrong. First we have to see common. 18 and 20 will come in which table first? 2 table. So you have to do first that common table. Okay, that is 2 tens are, 2 nines are. Understood? Yes. Okay. So not to be confused. Not with 4. Got it?
Sir, 2 5s are 10.
Yes.
Sir, if even.
Now.
Sir, if you
Yes. So here product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is what?
HCF and LCM.
HCF into LCM. Product of HCF and LCM. Okay. If you want to find first number or second number, if you want to find one number, what you have to do? HCF into LCM divided by one number. Other number, right? If you want to find other number, we have to divide with one number. Okay, na? Yes. Okay. So that is what. So if you want to find other number, we have to multiply HCF and LCM divided with one number. Okay, na? Understood? Okay. So now let's go next. Okay, now decimals and fundamental operations. Okay, so decimals first is conversion. Okay, so conversion of decimals to fraction. Okay, yes, conversion.
Yes,
so decimal to fraction. Okay, so if it is like,
sir, we have to see after how much there is.
Yes, 0.5. One decimal place means we have to divide
Sir,
with
5 divided by 10.
5 divided by 10. How many decimal are there? That many points will come below. Okay, that is zeros. Now, if they give like this, you can write. Then is 0.25. 2 decimal place 25 by 100. 2 decimal place means 2 zeros. Okay. Now if they give 2 23.8, 1 decimal place only, so 238 divided by 10, 1 zero only. Okay, like that you have to do.
Sir,
Understand? So
if they give 5 divided by 1000.
yeah, so now we will see 0.005 is there. Now 5 divided by 3 decimal place means 3 zeros, 1 2 3, 3 zeros. Okay, understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So that you understood. Now fraction. Now fraction to one more here. If they give like this, that is 4.83 divided by 2.1. Now you have to shift one time, or you cross multiply for this. That is 4.83 divided by 2.1. For this, when it is in numerator, we take the zeros in denominator, right? That is 100, 2 decimal place 100, 0, 2 zeros, right? Yes?
Sir, can you speak out?
Ha. Okay. So 2 decimal place means it is for 200 we have to multiply in the denominator. 1 decimal place means we have to multiply with the numerator. 1 decimal place means 1 we have to multiply with the numerator. Now the points will get cancelled. 483 into 10 divided by 21 into 100 it will become. Okay, or you can shift the point. 4.83 divided by 2.1. This 1 point shift, this 1 point shift. First we have to shift from the denominator. First we have to shift from the denominator. So it will be 48.3 divided by 20. Understood? Yes? Now you can divide with 20. Or you can make same decimal places. Here 4.83 is there, here 2.1. Only one decimal place is there. So you make same decimal place. Here also 2, here also 2. Now remove them. That is 483 divided by 210. Like that. You can make it same. Same you make it and then remove. Understood?
Sir, we can also do like this, no, sir?
Yeah.
Multiply by 10.
Yes. You can do so many ways.
How many
Okay?
decimals are there?
Yes.
Oh, that many zeros.
Yes. So you can do so many ways. So I will take one more example. That is 38.383 divided by 2.1 is there. So here what we have to do? Yes. Here in the top there are 3 decimal places. You use that one also. 3 decimal places, and in the bottom there is only 1 decimal place. Give 2 zeros. Now remove all the decimal place. So 383 divided by 2100. So that is we are making same. Understand? Here also 3, here
Sir,
also
can you
3.
scroll up?
Okay?
I'm not able to see.
Yes. Understood. Okay? So that is how what we have to do. We have to make the same and remove the decimal places. Here also 3, here also 3. Okay? That we can use. Understand? Understood? So here addition is very easy. Addition, what we have to do? We have to make the decimal place point in the same line. Point in same line. Okay? So if it is like this, 4.83 plus 2.1, what we do? 4.83, then point you write 2 and 1, like this we have to do. So 3, nothing is there means 0, so we can take 3 plus 0, 3, 1 plus 8, that is 9, and point 6, it will come like this. Point we have to match. We have to match the point. What you have to do? Match point. Okay na? And then write it. Got
Sir,
it?
if we don't match also,
Huh.
we'll get the same answer, no, sir?
No. Not possible. Okay? So we have to match one.
Sir, in
Addition
we get
and
the same
subtraction
answer.
both. Addition and subtraction both we have to match. Okay? Match the point. Understood? Everything is same, like borrowing and all.
That is called converting into like decimals,
Okay.
no, sir?
Yes.
Sir, if there is a subtraction.
Okay.
So,
So then if you minus like this, if it is there 3.8, you match the point 1.59. After that you write it. So nothing means you take it 0. So 0 minus 9 is 1. And then here we I have taken already 7 minus 5 is 2, then 3 minus 1 is 2. Understood? That's how we have to do. Addition and subtraction is done. Now multiplication. How do we do multiplication? Yes?
Same, sir.
Yes. So we just have to count the total number of decimal places, multiply normally. Right? If it is 0.25 into 0.4, total here 2 decimal places, here 1 decimal places. So in the answer we have to give 3 decimal places. So 25 fours are 100 will come. 3 decimal places means
100, sir.
so it will come 0.100
0.01.
0.1. If the zeros are at the end, you remove it. Okay, na? 0.1 will be the answer. Like that. We have to count the total decimal places, give the decimal places here. That is 2 plus 1. It will be 3 decimal places here. Okay? Understood? That is multiplication. Okay? Now division. So for
Sir,
division,
0.01 will come. Sir, how 0.1?
3 decimal places is ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Yes?
Sir, ಅದು 0.25 na 10 0.4 na.
So for division, how do we do division? Tell me. That is, we have to shift the point or remove the point from the divisor first. That is denominator. So if it is like 0.525 divided by point, how much? Let's take 0.5. So we here, what we have to do? Tell me. So we have to shift 1 decimal place here also, or we can remove 1 decimal place. So it will be 5.25 divided by 5 here. Denominator there should be no point, we can divide because 0.5 table we don't know, 5 table we know. So 5 how much? 5 ones are 5, 1 point is there, point decimal you give at the same time. 2 is smaller, 0 we have to take, then 25, 5 5s are 25. So 1.05 will be the answer. Understood? Yes? Okay, that is the division of decimals. Now let's go to conversion of fraction and decimal. I already taught you. Okay, and after that is measurements. What? Measurements. So measurements, how do we do? We have to remember that measurements table. What is the measurements table? Yes?
Kilo, hectare.
Kilo, hecto, deca.
Kilo, hectare,
Decameter. Yes. Deci. Yes, deci, centi, milli. Okay. So when you go from big to small, kilo to milli, big to small, what we have to do? We have to multiply. We have to multiply. Okay. Big to small. When you go small to big, we have to divide. We have to divide. Understood? So if they ask, so 1 kilometer is how many decimeter? Decimeter, dm, decimeter. So from where we came? From kilo to deci. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So we have to multiply with how much? 1 into 4 zeros. That is 10,000. That will be 10,000 decimeter. Understood? If I take one more example. Okay. So from here, from
Sir, measurement is
1 ml. Yes, 1 ml. From 1 ml to kiloliter. If they ask 1 ml is how many kiloliters? Ml is smaller, kilo is bigger. So smaller to bigger means we have to divide. So 1 is there, to take 1 divided by. How much answer will come? That is, we are going from ml to kilo. How many times? Yes? ml to kilo, how many times we are going? Yes? 6 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 times. Okay? So that is 6 means 6 zeros. Yes, 6 zeros we have to give. That is 10 lakh. Understand? 1 divided by 10 lakh, kilo thousand. Understood? Kiloliter. Okay na? Do like this. Remember this. So apart from that, 1 rupee means how much? Yes?
1 rupee means 100 paise.
1 rupee. 1 rupee means 100 paise. You remember that? And minutes and seconds. Now what? That is mass is there. Mass means that is the weight or mass. So how do we measure mass? gram.
Sir,
Okay,
same
so
like
they
you
everything
lens, sir,
kilogram,
but
hectogram, decagram.
grams also, sir, grams.
Yes, gram or grams, fine. So next is what? That is time. How do we measure time?
Sir,
Me
1 hour equals 60
Yes,
minutes.
so 1 hour equals 60 minutes and 60 minutes equals 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 seconds, that is 3600 seconds. 1 hour means how many seconds? 3600 seconds.
3600
Okay,
seconds.
yes, seconds. Understood. Now after that,
Sir, can you teach us 1 meter cubed is equal to
yes,
1000 liters like that?
yes, we will do that. Okay, so that is done. Now after that is temperature. Temperature is what? Yes, that is centigrade and Fahrenheit.
Degrees
So if you want to find
Celsius.
degree centigrade, is how
Degrees.
much? Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. Okay,
90.
yes,
9.
5 by or 5 by 9 into Fahrenheit
5 by
minus.
9, sir.
Yes, you multiply 5 by 9 in the starting. So 5 by 9 into Fahrenheit minus 32. If you want to find Fahrenheit, what you have to do? Yes?
Sir, first we can minus, sir.
Yes. So if you want to do Fahrenheit, what you have to do? 9 by 5 into Celsius plus 32 we have to do. Okay? Understood? That is the temperature. Next, after that is capacity or liters. Capacity in 1 meter cube box, like this box, 1 meter cube, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, all are 1 meter. In this box, how much water will be there? 1 meter cube, because length into breadth into height, volume, 1 meter cube volume. So in that box we can fill 1000 liters water, that is 1 kiloliter. 1 meter cube means 1 liter, 1 kiloliter. And here, and 1 centimeter cube means 1 ml. 1 centimeter cube means 1 ml, you remember. Okay, so if you want to go kilo,
1000 liters.
yes,
No, sir, 10 ml, no, sir, 10 ml.
no, 1 ml it is. Okay, understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So next here, that you understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go next now. That is distance, speed and time. Okay, so
Time.
distance, speed and time. So what you do is, easy formula you write in alphabetical order. Okay,
Sir, like D and S, sir.
yes,
D and S.
D, S, T, you divide it. So distance means speed into time, speed into time.
Yes, sir.
If you want to find speed, distance by time, you just take speed, distance by time, right?
Time.
Yes. So after that, if you want to find time, what you have to do?
Speed
Distance
into
by
time. Speed into time.
distance by speed. Okay now? So you can do all the three formulas from here. And then here, kilometer per hour to meter per second. Kilometer is bigger, meter per hour is smaller. So we have to multiply here 5 by 18. 5 is smaller, right? So you have to multiply with 5 by 18. If they ask meter per second to kilometer per hour, kilometer per hour is bigger,
18 by 5.
so we have to take 18 bigger in the top.
Sir, I
Understood?
have one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in the question they will like in kilometer per hour, in minute.
Okay, got it. Now in that speed and distance time we got. Average speed. How do you find average speed? Total distance divided by
Divided by
Total
time.
time. Okay, total time. Here, if the distance is same while going and coming, like if you go from home to school and come back from school to home, okay, so what will happen? Distance will be same. In that case, average speed will be what? Yes, average speed will be 2 into A into B, or divided by A plus B. So that is 2AB divided by AP. A plus B. AB are speeds. AB are what? Speeds. A and B are what? Speeds. Okay. So you can find that. Understood? Okay. So after that, If they ask train length, if they give like train length and all, if they give train length, so distance will be, if they give like train, in the train problem distance will be what? If bridge plus train length TL, I am writing train length as TL. Okay, train length TL, understood? Bridge plus train length, because it has, the train will be longer, bridge will also be longer, it has to take cross completely, right? Understood? Yes. If there is a pole, if there is a pole, distance will be what? If there is a pole, because pole will be smaller like this, it will go, doesn't matter, pole will be smaller. Or man will also be smaller only, right? Yes, so distance will be directly train length. Okay, train length, understand? Understood? Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here students, if you take an example like what? There is one train passing. Okay, so train passing a man, passes a man in how many seconds? 20 seconds. Speed is how much? That is 20 kilometer per hour. Okay, so 20 kilometer per hour. Okay, so that is per hour. Okay, so kilometer per hour. So 20 kilometer per hour means it will be, we have to convert it into meter per second, because it is meter per second. 20 kilometer per hour means how many meter per seconds? Yes? Okay, let it be. So that is time, we know 20 seconds. So speed is how much? That is 20 kilometer per hour. So kilometer per hour to meter per second, it will be how much? Meter is smaller, meter per second is smaller, means 5 by 18 we have to write it. Okay, now here they are asking train length. Train length will be, in man it will be same, because doesn't matter. So train length will be what? Distance. Train length will be distance. Distance, how do you find? Speed into time. Okay, so here let's take speed as 18, it will be easy, because 18 will cancel out. Okay, so speed is how much? You don't, what you do, you don't cancel out there itself, you don't cancel out there, wait for last, cancellation should be done at the last. So speed is how much? Speed is 18 kilometer into 5 by 18 meter per second, into time is 20. Now 18 cancel, 5 into 20 is how much? 100 meter will be the train length. Understood? In this case. Okay now? Or one more example let us take. Okay, so let's take one more example. They tell that train passes what? Bridge in how many seconds? 20 seconds. Okay, and man in how much? 18 seconds. Man in how much? 18 seconds. And speed is how much? Let's take 36 kilometer per hour. So what will be the train length? They will ask. What will be the train length? They will ask. Now train length will be same in both the cases. Same train is going. Okay, so here distance it has to cross is how much? In first case, bridge. When it is a bridge, distance will be what? Bridge plus train. Bridge plus train. That is, how do we find speed into time? Speed is how much? 36 kilometer per hour means meter per second, 5 by 18. Time is how much? It is crossing in 20 seconds. So what it will be? 18 2s are 36, 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 200 meter it will come. Bridge plus how much? That is train, 200. Now in the case of man, distance will be directly train length, that is speed into time. Speed is how much? 36 kilometer per hour, that is 5 by 18, into time is how much here? They are in, man is crossed in 18 seconds. So 18 cancel, 36 5 is how much? Yes, 100,
180, sir.
180, 180 meter. So means train length is 180 meter. Bridge will be how much now? Yes? Yes? Train length we got it as 180. So bridge plus how much? Train length is 200. Train length is 180. So bridge will be how much?
20.
180 bridge.
20.
Train length. 20 will be the
20.
bridge. So that is the bridge length we can find like that, or train length. If they give bridge length, we can find the train length also. Understood? Okay now?
Okay, good.
Okay, good. So students, here next chapter is what? That is okay. Approximation. Fine. Next chapter is 10th chapter, approximation. Okay, approximation. How do we do? That is rounding off. Rounding off. If they ask, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. If they ask for tens, round off to tens. So tens digit we have to see. This is the tens. After that we have to see the number. If it is 5 or more, we have to go to 0. If it is 4 or less, we have to go to, if it is 5 and more, we have to go to ones, that is 10. 1 we have to add. If it is 5, 4 or less, we have to go to 0. Right? After 4 it is 5. So 5 means we have to add 1 here. It will be 2, 3, 5, 0. After that we have to make 0. We get to tens digit. If it is less than 5, how do we do? If it is less than 5, like this. That is 4, 8, 3. 3 is there. If they ask for tens digit, after that it is less than 4. It is 3 is less than 4. Right? So 3 is less than 4 means it is, we have to make it as 0. So 4, 8, 3, 0. Like that. Okay? Approximation is easy. You do it. Okay na? Rounding off. Next, after that is simplification. What? Simplification. Simplification, what we have to do? Yes, BODMAS rule. Right? So BODMAS rule, division and multiplication we can do at the same time. Addition and subtraction we can do at the same time. Border, that is, BODMAS means brackets we have to do, off we have to do after that. Okay? Yes.
You are saying that BODMAS is the formula, no sir. Father is saying that the correct formula is BOMDA, sir. First multiply will come.
Doesn't matter. Both multiplication and division we can do at the same time. Why do we do division first? Is it will be easy. Here, see here. It is like 328 into 24 into 24 divided by 6 is there. If you multiply, it will take lots of time. It is bigger number. What we will do? First we will do divide. 6 4s are 24. It will become smaller number to multiply. We can do both same time. Multiplication, division, addition and subtraction we can do same time. We divide first to make it simple, smaller number. Now we can multiply 328 into 4, smaller, instead of 24, right? Understood? Okay. So here if it is like this, okay? Now here how do we do? First we have to multiply. 5 3s are 15. 38 plus 15 minus 24 plus 8. We should not add this. It will be wrong. We have to do addition with addition only. That is, if you want to add, this is addition. We have to do with addition. 38 plus 15 minus, that is plus 8 minus 24 we have to do. We should not add this. That is a wrong. Okay? That is wrong. Minus. This is minus, this is plus. That will be wrong. Okay? So we should add with addition only. Understood? And then minus it. Okay? So you do addition and then minus it, it will be easy. Understood? Okay.